Okay, our last line is the fate line. The fate line is the one that starts at the base of your palm and goes up to your Saturn finger only. Look down in your lower right hand corner of your chart. The fate line is your career and your lifestyle. And every time you get a break in that, that's a change in one or the other. The career or the lifestyle. Usually it's a break in, usually it's a change in both of them. And then when you have a double line, that means 2 jobs at the same time. So here is the changes in your fate line. 2 starts to that fate line. If it starts to the outside of your hand, you're very sociable and you have to have your friends and family around you all the time. But if it starts right down the middle of your palm like yours does, you're a private person. You got to have a little private space. Okay, here's the changes. At age 23, that line starts about age 20 at the base of your palm. 23, then ages 37 to 46, 2 lines. Now that crosses over the head line at 40 and it crosses over the heart line at 50 and it hits that ring around the Saturn finger about 80. Alright, back up again here. 37 to 46, 2 lines. That's 2 jobs. And see, it's crossed over that headline. And then age 46 to 50, this is where it's going to cross the heart line. 3 lines, 3 jobs. See, your 50s, you got everything going on in your 50s there. 3 lines, 3 jobs. Age 51 to 70, now it crosses that heart line at 50. So age 51 to 70, 2 lines. That's 2 jobs. And then ages 70 to 80, again you've got 3 lines. 3 jobs. Well, see, you got some achievement lines there in your 70s that are good. Then that line goes up into that Saturn figure to age 89. So you're going to live till you're 89 at the health you're in right now. Oh, hey, you got a little lucky sign. That lucky sign, look over there to the left-hand side of your Mercury finger. That lucky sign is a little triangle that sits right in the line. I think I saw that on your fate line. From age, it's just a real positive time in your life. Age 38 to 42.